Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey, one that's been on my bucket list for years. We're heading to the heart of southern Vietnam, to the vibrant, life-giving veins of the Mekong Delta. To explore its world-famous floating markets, forget your typical grocery store run. This is shopping on a whole new level. A sensory explosion of sights, sounds, and most importantly, tastes. Our adventure begins before the sun even fully rises. The air is cool and misty, and the only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against our long-tail boat and the distant hum of other engines starting their day. This is the magic hour, the time when the markets truly come alive. As we glide down the How River, the darkness slowly gives way to a kaleidoscope of color. Boats of all shapes and sizes, laden with an unbelievable bounty of fresh produce, begin to converge. It's like a floating city, a bustling metropolis on the water. Look at this. Every boat here has a specialty. You can tell what they're selling by the tall bamboo pole at the front, with a sample of their goods tied to the top. It's like a rustic floating advertisement. See that one over there? That's the pineapple boat. And next to it, a whole vessel overflowing with bright purple dragon fruit. We've got mountains of rambutans, piles of mangosteens, and watermelons so big, I'm not sure how they even got them on the boat. The sheer volume and freshness are just astounding. This isn't produce that's been sitting in a warehouse. It was likely picked just yesterday, a stone's throw from where we are now. The energy here is infectious. You hear the lively chatter of vendors, the good-natured haggling, and the constant thrum of boat engines weaving through the watery aisles. It's an intricate dance, a perfectly choreographed ballet of commerce that has been practiced for generations. People aren't just here to buy and sell. They're here to connect, to share news, and to live their lives. Kids play on the decks of their family boats, and friendly waves are exchanged as vessels pass. It's a genuine, living community. Now, let's talk about the best part, the food. You don't just shop for ingredients here. You can get a full, delicious meal cooked right on a boat. See that woman over there? She's the master of Byon Ryu, a tangy, savory crab and tomato noodle soup. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. We're pulling up right alongside her. She smiles, ladles a huge portion of steaming broth into a bowl, adds fresh noodles, crab paste, tofu, and a handful of fragrant herbs. The whole transaction happens boat to boat, a seamless exchange of a few dong for a bowl of pure comfort. Let's give this a try. Wow. The broth is so rich and flavorful, with a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. The herbs are incredibly fresh, and you can taste the quality in every single bite. This isn't just a meal. It's an experience. It's food that tells a story of the river, of the land, and of the people who call this place home. While we're eating, another boat pulls up. This one selling Tha Piege Sa, Vietnamese iced coffee. It's strong, sweet, and exactly the caffeine kick we need to keep exploring. As we continue our journey, we see boats that are essentially floating convenience stores, selling everything from lottery tickets to household goods. And then there are the wholesale boats, massive barges piled high with just one type of produce, like these coconuts, ready to be transported to markets on land. It's a fascinating look at the entire supply chain, from the farm to the consumer, all happening right here on the water. The Can Tho market, where we are now, is the largest in the Delta, but there are countless smaller, more intimate markets scattered throughout the region, each with its own unique charm. What they all share is this incredible connection to the river. The Mekong isn't just a backdrop. It's the lifeblood of this entire culture. It provides the water for the crops, the highway for transportation, and the space for this vibrant community to thrive. As the morning sun gets higher and hotter, the market starts to wind down. The wholesale boats have done their business, and the smaller vendors begin to head home. Our own journey is coming to an end, but the memories of this morning will stick with me forever. The vibrant colors, the friendly faces, the incredible sounds, and of course, the unforgettable flavors. It's a powerful reminder that food is so much more than just sustenance. It's about culture, community, and connection. Visiting the floating markets of the Mekong Delta is like stepping into a different world, one that is both chaotic and serene, ancient and constantly evolving. It is a true food lover as paradise and an absolute must-do for anyone traveling to Vietnam. It's an authentic slice of life that fills not just your stomach, but your soul. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration. Where should we go next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.